hold on, stop scrolling, because what I'm about to share with you, you'll not believe it. You're going to appreciate this, and it will make you earn money for the rest of your life if you know you're among the people who have been having that urge of knowing what to do. Do you know, I've received a lot of questions about making money online, but here is my question. Really, do you know what making money online is? Making money online is not magic. Making money online is not luck. No. Making money online, it is just simply for you and me to turn our attention into magic. It's us to turn our attention, to turn our what we love into income. What exactly do you love? This is the question that I would have asked you. What exactly do you hate? What do you feel you want the world to know about what you have within you and around you? I've put this down for you, and I feel this video title is going to be what exactly is content, because most of people are thinking they are doing content, but is that content turning into income, turning into passive income? Let's dive together and see exactly what content is. But before we do it, I want to put this disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not trained to come and tell you that this is going to work for you. I'm giving you tips. The 2 to 10% of the tips I'm giving you is just what I've tried, what I've touched, and what 2% of population out there have tried. So you can try it also. If you make research and you find it is okay with you, please go ahead and make it. And if it can't, you can leave it. To my special engagers, come here, come here. Some kisses. Let's dive in and see exactly what it is. When you're watching videos, you're liking posts, you're scrolling for hours, you are already variable. Provided you're holding a smartphone or you're scrolling on your screen, it means you are variable. It means you're already in them. You are among us, provided you, even if you swipe it, you are among us. But the truth is, most people are making money from you, because the moment you scroll, you will make money, but you're not making money from them. So money comes in different ways, but today I'm going to give you in 3 ways as to what content is. 1, it comes from content, the content you give. 2, it comes from audience, exactly who watches. And 3, it comes from value. Value meaning what problem are you solving? That is value. Are you solving domestic violence? Are you solving corruption? Are you solving lack of money? Are you solving single motherhood? What exactly are you solving? Then audience, who watches you? The people who watch you are your potential customers. If a group of people is watching you and it has no potential, it's the money you're going to get. And if the group of people that is following you have potential, if you know what I mean, put it in the comment section, you will get your money high. Then your content is what you create. We might all be here and you're like, but Ime, I've been making content, but you're talking about money and I don't get it. But your content is you. The content I have is different from yours. So what you create matters. If they are to pay, if the Bank of Baroda is going to put an advert to hire, say, okay, would your content qualify to pull the Bank of Baroda advert? Would your content qualify to pull Burj Khalifa's advert? So this is what you create as content is concerned. Let's see. If you can teach, you can entertain, you can inspire, it means you're going to earn. How do you earn? You're going to earn from AdSense. This is AdSense earning. You're going to earn from brands. Brands will hire you. You're going to earn from affiliate links. You are even going to sell products. By the way, if you're there and you're looking for a perfume that is going to remain on your body for almost 24 hours in your clothes, a perfume that you spray and you don't leave it in your room, you can write in the comment section. If you're in United Arab Emirates, you just pay only 50 dirham and outside the United Arab Emirates, you'll consider shipping charges. Haven't I sold a product? This is what I mean. So the biggest secret, most of you might do it, but the biggest secret is one, it is consistency. The biggest secret is consistent. It's not that viral. You know, it really makes me wonder when you see someone gets a phone and say, hey, excuse me, how you don't have views, you don't have this. But it's not about your views. It's not about how viral you go. It's about showing up again and again. That is what we call consistency. Then when you go to think about the way people fancy followers, it's not about followers. You know, you don't need 1,000 millions of followers. Some people have followers who have just the dormant followers. They have followers who are not doing nothing just to cheer you. But even if they cheer you, you don't earn from them. No, what you need a right audience and give them a right message. Like my audience is right. The small audience I have is for people who say, I don't want to die in poverty. And the bigger audience I don't have is that one which is like, I want views. I have only, my video has hit 10K views, but do you have money out of it? So this is exactly what content is all about. What is making money online is all about. This is the summary of it. So the next time you pick your phone, to record, you pick your camera to record, you pick your your laptop to scroll, you need to ask yourself, am I just consuming or I'm creating income? Like right now as you're watching me, I'm creating income and I don't have anything on this. So next time you pick your phone, say, am I creating income or I'm just consuming? You guys, there are different ways of making money online, provided you have a smartphone. And if you want to know more about making money online, I would wish you to go to our YouTube channel. Just type, go to YouTube and put Immaculate Show. It will come. If you go to Facebook, the same. And if you want extra service, like you want one-on-one, it is paid at a lesser cost. You can also indicate, and we're going to schedule time for you. You can book for an hour, you can book for 3 weeks, you can book for 2 months. It's up to you. Then also, if you want also to secure our template for beginners as far as my Immaculate Financial Secrets, please, you can also note it down. This period, it is only $1.5 for beginners. Just imagine what is $1.5. And you learn the secret that is just raw and original. Thank you very much. Let us see each other in another video. Bye-bye. This is exactly what we say, making